Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about the ESQL numeric data type. ESQL supports several data types that handle numeric value, include decimal, float and integer. So we're gonna open each one on separate a web page. So the decimal data type is the exact representation of decimal number. So decimal number, the fraction and scale and rounding. The minimum is 1 to maximum 34. This is the maximum. Minus 1 is a big number and this is a plus 1. You could come and learn more about it. You cannot define fractions and scales when determining decimal because they are assigned automatically. It is only possible to specify fraction and scale when casting to decimal. And if you come right here, we have a float data type. Float data type is a big number, is of 64 byte base 2 fraction exponent and approximation to a real number. This gives us a range of value between minus this number is a so big number because they use the octadecimal data format, and plus and minus this number. If you let me check if they give us a no, the float, this would be consist of either with you could write it this way or you could write it a regular way. That would be a so big number, but if you write it with octadecimal, that become short. You could come and learn more about that. And we have an integer data type. Integer data type is also 64-bit. Is a 2-component form. This gives us a range of value. This is a minus to plus this minimum and maximum. That's the range that provide an integer. Integer is a whole number. Decimal is a decimal number. Float is also a decimal number. So let's write it with example. So the rule is same. We say declare then my integer and you type your integer. And you give them your integer. Integer is a whole number. 1, 2, 3. That's my integer. And I will just write describe it. What is it? Integer. Let's write decimal as well. That will be, let's write it float first then decimal. And that's my float. And there's also you could write it, let's write it too. And write decimal right. And don't forget that gonna cause exception. And we have a decimal. This one we will give them a 4. You will see it what that decimal. So the rule is same. Using a variable, everything you do, blob, integer, character, string, we must say declare the name you give it to your variable, then the type, then you set the value to it, or you could do it on one line. And let's pass this one on and see the outside. We're gonna pass it right here. We're gonna pass our, and we name it. We're gonna pass float on a bit section. Let me fix that and come back. Let's send and see as an example and check. You see this is my integer 1, 2, 3, and this is my float. You give it 1 and they add e to it and plus, and that's my decimal. So see you on the next video.